Fine, let's solve for x. Note that 2, we can rewrite 2 as what? As minus 1 plus 3, right? So that is exactly what we are going to do here. We are going to rewrite this as 2 to the power of x minus 1 plus 3, right? Then plus 2 to the power of x minus 1 is equal to 15. Now recall that when you have a to the power of m plus n, that this is equal to a to the power of m multiplied by a to the power of n. All right, so that simply means that we can now write this as 2 to the power of x minus 1 multiplied by 2 to the power of 3 plus 2 to the power of x minus 1 is equal to 15. The same thing is what we have here and here, so we can actually factorize. So let's factorize. So when we do that, we have 2 to the power of x minus 1, open bracket. What will remain is 2 to the power of 3 plus 1, right? Because when this is divided by this, 2 to the power of 3 will remain. And when this is divided by this, plus 1 will remain. Is equal to 15. So we have 2 to the power of x minus 1, bracket 8 plus 1 is equal to what? 15. All right. Now, 2 to the power of x minus 1, open bracket 9 is equal to 15. Now, let us divide both sides of this equation by 9 in order to remove it from this side of the equation. So we are going to have 2 to the power of x minus 1 multiplied by 9 divided by 9 is equal to 15 divided by 9. Okay, so this we cancel this. We have 2 to the power of x minus 1 is equal to 3 we divide 15 to give us 5, 3 we divide 9 to give us 3. So we have 5 over 3 there. Now the most interesting aspect of this particular video is where we proved, or where I proved, that the answer we got is right. We'll plug it in here. So please do not miss this amazing part. Then if this is the first time you are coming across this channel, please click on the subscription button, turn on your notification bell so that you'll be notified anytime we upload a new video. We upload video at least once a day in this channel, so tune in at your convenience to check for new uploads. Okay, and don't forget to give us a thumbs up. It's really important to us, as it helps the algorithm to push the videos more to those that really need it for the exam. Thank you so much. Now we are going to introduce log, because that is the only option we have right now. So we introduce log to both sides of this equation. So when you have log a to the power of b, this is equal to b multiplied by log a. Therefore, we can rewrite this as x minus 1 multiplied by log 2 is equal to log 5 divided by 3. Now, to get the value of x, we need x minus 1 to be on its own. So let's actually divide through by log 2 divided by log 2 as well. Now, log 2, we cancel log 2. You notice that what we have on the left hand side is x minus 1. And at the right hand side, we have log 5 over 3 divided by log 2. Okay, now let's continue. Then we have that x minus 1 is equal to log. So when you have log a divided by b, it is equal to log a minus log b. Okay, it is equal to log a minus log b. Therefore, we can now rewrite this one, the numerator, as log 5 minus log 3 divided by log 2. So we have that x minus 1 is equal to log 5 divided by log 2 minus log 3 divided by log 2. Okay, so we have x minus 1 is equal to log 5 base 2. Yes, when you have log a over log b, is the same thing as log a base b. Okay, so we have log 5 base 2 minus log 3 base 2. But recall that we are looking for the value of x. So from here we can see that our x is equal to, this minus 1 will cross to become plus 1. So it's going to be log 5 base 2 minus log 3 base 2 plus 1. So this is the value of our x. Yes, now to the most interesting aspect of this video. So if we should use that as our denominator, sorry, as our power, that is our x, we can write 2 to the power of, this is our x, log 5 base 2 log 3 base 2 plus 1, then plus 2 plus 2, okay, plus 2 to the power of our x is what? Log 5 base 2 log 3 base 2 plus 1, then plus what? Minus 1 this time, is equal to 15. Now let's see how this is equal to 15. I told you it's the most interesting aspect. All right, now 1 plus 1 will give us 3. So we have 2 to the power of log 5 base 2 minus log 3 base 2, okay, plus 3. Now plus 2 to the power of log 5 base 2 minus log 3 base 2, because plus 1 minus 1 is 0, is equal to 15. Now I want us to recall something. When you have a to the power of m minus n, something like this is the same thing as a to the power of m divided by a to the power of n. Now when you have a to the power of m plus n, it is what? Equal to a to the power of m multiplied by a to the power of n. So that is exactly what we are going to do here. So pay attention and see how that goes. All right. So we are going to write 2 to the power of log 5 base 2. Because it's subtraction, we are going to divide by 2 to the power of log 3 base 2. Now because this is more addition, it's going to be multiplied by 2 to the power of 3. Okay, so we are done with the left hand side of this equation. Plus, now this is just subtraction, so it's going to be 2 to the power of log 5 base 2 divided by 2 to the power of log 3 base 2 is equal to 15. Okay, now we continue. Note another law of log reading. Yes, we are using so many laws. Another law of log reading states that a to the power of log b base a, okay, is equal to b. That is, anytime this base and this base are the same, you just pick your main number. All right, so if you look at this place closely, you can see that this and this are the same, so that means the whole of this is 5. Okay, so we are going to have, now permit me to clean this because I don't want to write it down and you will not be able to see it. So let's just continue. Sorry, this is 5. So the whole of this is 5. So we have 5 divided by, now the whole of this is 3, right? 3, since we have the same base here. Then multiplied by 2 to the power of 3 is 8. Okay, all right. Plus the same thing here. The whole of this is 5, right? Divided by the whole of this is 3 is equal to 15. Now 5 times 8 will give us 40 divided by 3 plus 5 over 3 is equal to 15. Now let's see if this is actually true. Now 40, we have the same denominator, we pick 1. 40 plus this is 45 is equal to what? 15. Now when 3 divides 45, we have 15. So you can see that we are correct. Thank you so much.